This video is for all the returning subscribers, people who've been watching my videos, have subscribed to the channel. Can't thank you how much. It's really surprised me how well some of the videos have done in just a week at the time of making this video here. I'm still learning about YouTube. Even though I've been making videos for a year and a half, I'm still learning how to put the videos together, how to speak. Maybe I need to start using a script, but I kind of like the fact that I don't write a script. I just make it up as I go along. And that's maybe why I have so many uhs in my intros that some of y'all have seen. But so what you'll see going forward is more older videos that I've made, plus newer stuff. And you'll see, the things, the problems, the issues that I have as a single senior who has had to come to realize that living alone, it's up to you to make your own happiness, and that's what I'm doing. I'm following my own joy, on my own journey, seeking out my own goals, which is eventually get back out on the water, traveling to different places down the East Coast and on down to the Caribbean, and who knows from there. Nobody knows. I've learned what life's gonna bring you, but the one thing that you want to do is always have a smile. Whether you get a pile of crap or a pile of chocolate, take them both with a grain of salt or whatever. Who the hell knows what I'm talking about? Half the time I don't know what I'm talking about. But please, thank you for watching the videos. Keep watching the videos. Tell your friends that there's this knucklehead on YouTube making videos. And I hope y'all enjoy them. Hope you get an occasional laugh. I know this most of the time you're laughing at me, which is fine. I laugh at myself quite a bit. So, hey, thank you, thank you, thank you.